Hello guys, welcome to my blog, and today is Saturday. I am going to take my mama at Lazienki Park, and I hope she like it since she enjoys. So let's see you soon. So now I am ready and my mama is also getting ready, so we are going. I'll check the price for cab. If cab price is less than or equivalent to the tram, then I will prefer to go by cab. And my mama both got ready and now we are going, so it will be fun. Let's see how it goes. And are you ready? Ready. Ready. Now we are moving towards our cab. So by the time we enter to the park, it has very nice description of where you can go and how you can connect to different parts, and it has like 27 places to visit, but we didn't went to all of them, of course, as my mama cannot walk a lot. So while roaming, we captured this beautiful gem, and it was made by one of the famous artists, Arnaldo. So there was a description about the artist and this beautiful gems creation, and yeah, you can take a look and you can pause the video and read it if you want. Then we took a long walk and also enjoyed the nature and the beauty of greenery, and it was so peaceful at that time, and there were a lot of people actually roaming around. So those who knows about Lazienki Park or Royal Baths Park is the largest park in Warsaw, Poland, occupying like 76 hectares of the city center. Due to which we obviously had a good walk, and meantime I was taking pictures and some videos of my mom. I'll be sharing some of the glimpses after the vlog. Also, we have now reached to the Chinese garden and pagoda. Then we almost reached to the little white house, and it has like a garden villa built in 1774 to 76 by Domenico Merlini. Though the little white house was devastated by the Germans during World War II, many of its interior furnishings survived, and the most interesting include grotesque paintings in the dining room. So 18th century Chinese wallpaper in the parlor, the king's bed in the bedchamber, and a cabinet in the form of an arbor. Now we reach to the old orangery. So the old orangery was actually elected in 1786 to 88, and it's in a rectangular horseshoe shape. So the simple square-shaped audience area accommodated about 200 and comprised a ground floor where the benches were arranged in amphitheater fashion, as well as 3 boxes on each wall overlooking the ground floor. Post that, we reached to the bridge over canal leading to palace. In 1793, two additional pavilions were constructed. They were joined to the palace by little bridges with columned galleries. So, despite the numerous reconstructions over the years, the edifice had remained as a harmonious whole. A completely new interior in between western segment added in 1788. Then we reached to the Mislavisky Palace, the palace which was named after the now non-extant village of Mislavis, stood at the end of a road leading into town. So initially it was conceived as a one-story villa set on a square. So overall, after roaming like few places in this Lazienki park, like there was total 27 places to visit and have a history check. But unfortunately, we had less time, so we just thought to go back today. And yeah, we were just searching for the bus stop, and then we took bus. And my mama first time sitting in the bus here. On the way to Chai Wala. After enjoying beautiful environment outside, we reached to the Indian food store, which has like most of the Indian street food, and we ordered pav bhaji. Thereafter, we redirected our routes toward the Centrum Mall, and we went to Sinche for some shopping. We bought few t-shirts and one jewelry. Me and Mama is back home. Tired. Thaki gayi. She got tired. She is getting back pain. But it was good day. See you in the next vlog. Bye.